Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here, the severe weather update. For the Day 2 outlook, we have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that covers central and southeastern Iowa, northeastern Missouri, and northwestern Illinois. And we have a broad margin risk area tomorrow that covers much of North Dakota, much of South Dakota, northeastern Nebraska, southern half of Minnesota, western and northeastern Iowa, the northeastern half of Missouri, much of Wisconsin, all of Illinois, southwestern Michigan, all of Indiana, western Ohio, all of Kentucky, southwestern West Virginia, southwestern Virginia, most of Tennessee, the very far extreme northeastern corner of Alabama, northeastern Georgia, all of South Carolina, and the southwestern half of North Carolina. So, going to the tornado threat for tomorrow, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that covers the very far extreme east central edge of South Dakota, southern Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, the very far extreme west central edge of Michigan, far northwestern Indiana, northern Illinois, most of Iowa, and far northern Missouri. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that covers parts of central and southeastern Iowa, northeastern Missouri, and northwestern Illinois. We have a broad area where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that covers most of North Dakota, most of South Dakota, northeastern Nebraska, the southern half of Minnesota, western and northeastern Iowa, northeastern half of Missouri, most of Wisconsin, all of Illinois, southwestern Michigan, all of Indiana, western Ohio, all of Kentucky, southwestern West Virginia, southwestern Virginia, most of Tennessee, the southwestern half of North Carolina, all of South Carolina, northeastern Georgia, and the very far extreme northeastern corner of Alabama. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a broad area where we have a 5% chance of seeing hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That covers most of North Dakota. Don't want to get updated on me. The broad 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow covers much of North Dakota, much of South Dakota, northeastern Nebraska, southern half of Minnesota, the very far extreme southwestern part of Wisconsin, as well as the very far extreme west central part of Wisconsin, all of Iowa, western half of Illinois, northeastern half of Missouri, far southwestern Kentucky, and the very far extreme northwestern tip of Tennessee. So, going to the summary for tomorrow, scattered strong to severe storms will be possible across a broad region from the northern plains to the Midwest, Ohio Valley, and Carolinas. A more concentrated severe wind threat is possible across portions of the Corn Belt. So, that's all I got for today. And the Day 1 outlook I covered in the previous video, so I'm not going to talk about the Day 1 outlook in this video, because I already covered the Day 1 outlook in the previous video. So, if you want the update on the Day 1 outlook, check out the previous video for that. But again, this is the Day 2 outlook video, so anyway, stay safe in the affected areas both today and tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.